Welcome back, guys. Welcome to PIGEON-HAWK Manor Kitchen ISO unit.
Palace. We are making low FODMAP lentil dal. And that's a pretty crazy thing when everyone goes, hang on a second, aren't lentils high FODMAP?
Oh my God, aren't lentils high FODMAP?
Thank you, that was your cue. Oh yes, lentils are high FODMAP, as like chickpeas, beans, legumes, but tinned. Lower FODMAP, about half the FODMAPs of dried lentils.
Oh my God.
Except I'm holding tomatoes.
There's no can of lentils here because here are some we prepared earlier.
Yeah, you've got your tinned tomatoes, a tin of coconut milk. Now I've used the light for the fact that it's probably better on people's stomachs. Good old salt and pepper for seasoning. We also have our spices. So these are going to be the heroes of the dish basically. So we do have the Garam Masala, we have our Turmeric, we've got the coriander seed ground already, we've got cumin, and because we like to put chili in everything, chili! You have some glitter on your face.
It's because I'm
No, wait, you're shiny. Wait. Stay still.
It's because my future is so bright.
Yes, it is. I don't even know where I was up to. I was holding a potato.
Potato.
There was a potato. So we're going to use a really large one. You can use 2 small ones, whatever is around. You can even use more if you want to bulk it up. So maybe bang in a little bit more potato just to get the extra bulk in there. We're going to use ginger. Won't be using all that much, probably about half. 1 thumb size of ginger.
Thumb of ginger.
1 thumb of ginger, if that's an official measurement. We're going to use a lime, half of the lime in the cooking, half a lime to garnish, and coriander. Oh, one thing I forgot to say. Lentils. Okay, we're talking about the lower FODMAP and so forth. We want to make sure that they've been rinsed really well. We do want to get all of that liquid that was in the can off the lentils. And while I'm prepping everything else, what I will do is actually soak it for a little bit more in some water, just to really give it that extra good measure. We are using our garlic infused olive oil. So once again, we're talking about FODMAPs being soluble. The flavor leaches into the oil, but the FODMAPs stay behind in the garlic clove. All right,
Awesome.
let's start chopping.
Let's get cooking.
Okay, so my favorite thing about this dish is just throw it all in. Now we'll be cooking this down for a little bit until the potatoes get nice and soft. So what I'll probably do is add a little bit more water. Okay, so we're going to bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, I'm going to take it to the lowest heat, so a really slow simmer. I will actually move it down onto a smaller burner, like for this one, because I will let it sit for a little while. Pop the lid on and let it sit for about half hour or so. Turn the heat off once everything's all cooked through. We're going to add half of the juiced lime and we'll just stir it through now that the heat is off. I'll be doing 1 cup of rice. The reason that I'm doing this is just purely for the portion of the dal. If you don't have to follow the low FODMAP diet, I wouldn't be too worried. You can eat however much you want. And we also have the half cup of dal. So we've portioned this, so we know that it is of the low FODMAP levels. I'm going to put a wedge of lime to serve.
Bon appetit, come eat. This is my favorite line ever.
Come estas?
Come estas? Is that a fork up my nose? Come estas, with the fork up your nose. Eat this. So we squeeze some lime on the top. I'm not sure what this accent is anymore. It's just a combination of things. that they made up. Normally we'd have a romantic little setup with a candle. Oh, okay. What if I come on the bench? Check that out. Yo, check that out.
No, I'm at a weird angle.
Yeah, that's why I'm sitting this way. Yeah.
Okay, I love this dish. It doesn't matter how many times I make it. Yeah.
Is it bad form for a cooking show to sit on the bench?
Yes, I was thinking that, didn't say it.
That is why we're not a real cooking show.
You should go sit at the table.
This is so good.
Thank you for watching.
And Dhal all over me. Oh my god. Okay.
Like and subscribe. Oh, don't. Please don't facilitate this anymore.